Ever wondered if your car is protected against those pesky hailstorms? These unpredictable forces of nature can wreak havoc on your vehicle, leaving dents, scratches, and shattered glass in their wake. Repair costs can escalate quickly, leaving you with a hefty bill that can put a dent in your wallet too. Without the right insurance, you could be left out in the cold. Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we're going to delve into today. So, what exactly is hail damage insurance? A fantastic question indeed. Let's break it down. Hail damage insurance is a type of protection that comes under the umbrella of comprehensive coverage in most car insurance policies. It's specifically designed to provide financial coverage for damages to your vehicle caused by, you've guessed it, hail. Now imagine this. A hailstorm hits your town, and while the sky is putting on its dramatic performance, your car is out there taking a beating. Once the storm passes, you find that your once sleek and shiny vehicle now resembles a golf ball. Not exactly the look you were going for, was it? Well, that's where hail damage insurance steps in to save the day. The primary role of hail damage insurance is to cover the repair or replacement costs for any damage to your vehicle's body and windows caused by hail. And we're not just talking about a few minor dents and scratches here. Hailstones can be as small as peas or as large as grapefruits, and they can cause significant damage. From shattered windows and cracked windshields to dented roofs and hoods, hail can wreak havoc on your vehicle. But with hail damage insurance, these costs are taken care of. Depending on your policy, you could either receive a payout to cover the repair costs or, in more severe cases, the replacement cost of the vehicle. However, it's always important to remember that, like any insurance, hail damage insurance comes with a deductible. This means you'll have to pay a certain amount out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. The amount of this deductible can vary, so it's always a good idea to discuss this with your insurance provider. So the next time you find your car looking like a golf ball after a hailstorm, you can rest easy knowing your insurance has got you covered. Okay, so it's good to have, but do I really need hail damage insurance? This is where the rubber meets the road, folks. Let's put it this way. Mother Nature isn't always kind, and with climate change, we're seeing more frequent and severe hailstorms. That's not just a bunch of weather jargon, it's a reality that can dent your vehicle and your wallet. Imagine this. A hailstorm rolls in, and next thing you know, your car looks like it's been on the losing end of a golf ball fight. Repairing that kind of damage out of pocket? It can cost a pretty penny. We're talking thousands of dollars in some cases. That's a hefty amount of cash to part with unexpectedly. This is where hail damage insurance comes in. It's not just a piece of paper. It's your financial safety net. It offers you peace of mind, knowing that when the hail hits, your wallet won't take a beating. Think of it as a small price to pay for big peace of mind. Before we wrap up, let's quickly run through the key points about hail damage insurance. This is the get-out-of-jail-free card you need when Mother Nature decides to play a game of icy marbles with your vehicle. First off, hail damage insurance falls under the umbrella of comprehensive car insurance. This means it's not typically included in your standard liability or collision insurance. So if you're thinking, I've got car insurance, I'm covered, you might want to double-check your policy. Secondly, hail damage insurance covers the cost of repairing or even replacing your vehicle if it's been pummeled by hail. We're talking about everything from minor dents and dings to shattered windshields. Without it, you could be looking at a hefty repair bill. And let's face it, nobody likes those unexpected expenses. Now, the third point to remember is the unpredictability and frequency of hailstorms. You might think, hailstorms? In my area? That's as likely as a snowball in the Sahara. But the truth is, hailstorms can happen anywhere and at any time. And when they do, they can cause significant damage. And there you have it. Hail damage insurance demystified. We hope this helps you make an informed decision about protecting your vehicle against the wrath of those icy sky stones. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry.